good news from Saving Lives Academy. The AI for Healthcare Professionals course is launching a new cohort on the 1st of September. Following the overwhelming success of our first cohort, we're excited to announce the next intake, a course designed by clinicians for clinicians. What you'll get: 7 hours of on-demand recorded lectures, 8 hours of interactive workshops, 8 practical assignments, and 50 high-quality multiple-choice questions for self-assessment. The course covers core AI tools in healthcare, clinical decision support, AI in consent and communication, research, education, workflow automation, ethics, regulation, and future directions. It all concludes with a capstone project applying your learning to real-world scenarios. Early bird registration is now open with a 20% discount available for just 2 weeks. Register now and secure your spot at savinglivesacademy.com.